Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover user files with Freshservice, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering user files with Freshservice, log into your Freshservice account. Once logged in, navigate to the Asset tab located in the main menu. In the Assets section, locate the User Files option. Click on User Files to access the repository of user data. Next, you will see a list of users who have files stored in the system. Select the user whose files you wish to recover. After selecting the user, proceed to the Files section specific to that user. Here, you will view all the files associated with the selected user. Identify the file you need to recover from the list. Once you have found the file, click on its name to proceed. A new window will appear, showing detailed information about the file. Look for the Download button within this window. Click on the Download button to save the file to your local device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Check the integrity of the file to ensure it downloaded correctly. If you require additional files, repeat the earlier steps for each user. Your user files are now successfully recovered using Freshservice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.